Hey guys, today I am filming my monthly makeup haul for November and I don't have too many products here and I'm really proud of that. Kind of halfway through the month, I decided that I wanted to purchase as few things as possible. I told myself that I was not going to buy anything Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I was so close to purchasing one product from Victoria Beckham Beauty because for Cyber Monday they did 20% off and free shipping, but I told myself, no, you're going to be getting a lot of eyeshadow for Christmas. You can wait until next year and then you can just buy one of everything that you want. So I resisted. I'm so proud of myself. It was so hard. There were so many things that I was tempted by, and for December I want to do a low buy, I'm gonna say. So I made a lot of Sephora returns and I have a lot of store credit that I need to use at some point. I am going to see if anything releases during that time. They're going to send that one time only 20% off coupon. If not, you know, I'll just save it for the spring sale next year, or, you know, see if anything launches between now and spring that I want. And then I do have enough ULTA points saved up to get $125 off, and I have roughly a $50 gift card. Just got a 20% off coupon today that expires December 24th. So I have a lot of ways where I can be getting free makeup. So we'll see what I end up doing, but I really want to try to resist as much as possible. My friend Jean and I talked about maybe wanting to do a category no buy, specific budget, low buy for next year. So I'm going to think more on it, do a video about it at the beginning of the year, but hopefully December's haul will be small and most of the things in it will hopefully be what I got for Christmas. So anyway, I did not yet go and add up all the products to see how much I spent. I'll put it on the screen or in the description box. I had time to film today, so I figured why not? So first I'm gonna start with some things I got from Target. I finally got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. The lighter shades have been sold out for months on Target's website. The deeper shades stayed in stock in store where I live and online, but I wanted to get the both of them. So I got the lightest shade, Fair One, and then I also got 6 Tan to use as a bronzer shade. So these are normally $14 and I had $20 in Target gift cards and $2.73 of at Target money. So for the both of these, I only ended up spending $5.27 together, which is amazing. I'm so excited to try these out and see if I love them as much as everybody else. Next, I placed an order with Sigma. You guys should definitely sign up for their text messages because they will let you know about certain sales. And I know there was a day where they were advertising 30% off because I was a tech subscriber. They sent me a code for 35% off. But there was one day where it was like, if you purchase in the next this many hours, you can get 40% off, and then 30, then 20. So I, of course, jumped on the 40% off, and surprisingly, it applied to the new holiday collection and the brushes that came out with the loose powders, because for a while, these brushes were not included in the sale. So I finally got the last two things on my Sigma wish list, and they had a free gift at the time. This is the Sigma Palmat 2-in-1 brush cleaning tool. So I'm excited to have this. And then with your order, they always give you one foil sample of the Sig Magic brush shampoo, but then with this cleaning mat, they also sent 5 more samples. So I will show you something else that I'm going to be putting all of these in to actually get good use out of these. And I purchased those little tiny funnels a while ago, so I will finally get use out of those as well. So excited to have this because it is a good formula, and I'm excited to be able to put it in packaging that will make it easier to use. So let me show you the other things I bought. And this is the F12 setting powder brush. It just looks nice. I love Sigma brushes. I have so many face brushes, but I was like 40% off and free shipping. Why not? And then from the holiday collection, I had to get the Cheek Duo. I own all of Sigma's Cheek Duos. I think their cheek products are fantastic. So it came with this brush. They do the same brush every year, so that's a little bit of a bummer. It's always like a different handle. This feels like glittery, but not the kind that comes off on your hands. This is the F60 Soft Blend. And then you have the same sort of packaging. So it is white with blue sparkles, a glittery texture. And this is the Glisten and Glow Cheek Duo. You have Frosty Glow Highlight and Sweater Weather Blush. I'm hoping this isn't too similar to any of their other blushes and highlights, but I can do some swatches on Instagram to compare for you guys if you're interested in picking it up. But I know Sigma has amazing quality, so 40% off free shipping and those free gifts. Amazing. Next, I placed an order with Shop Miss A. On Singles Day, it was 11% off everything and $1 shipping on a $5 or $10 or more purchase. I can't remember. So I was like, yes, finally. And then their Black Friday sale ended up being like 20% off or something, but everything is so affordable. It only been, you know, a matter of cents. So it's fine. So I decided to get some things for me and get some gifts. And I'm just going to be counting the things that are for me in my total. So first I got this little 30 ml dropper bottle, and I got this to put several samples I have of the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops into. This is just a 15 ml jar. This is smaller than I thought. It's the only jar size they have, but I know sometimes for my samples, I'm trying to like scoop products out of a deluxe size sample to make it easier to use that last little bit. And sometimes I feel like it's going to be too much product for my normal Clinique sample jar. So this is bigger than that. So I think that this will be wonderful. And then I got 2 of the 30 ml pump bottles. I'm gonna have one just on the side, and then one of these I will use with my little tiny funnels to put all of these brush cleaning soaps in, and I have maybe like 3 others from other Sigma orders, so that will be amazing. I can't wait to see how much this fills up, and hopefully I will find the perfect funnel, because I tried using one before and the hole was messed up, but I think I pulled one out of the pack that looks like a good one. So I'm so excited to do that. I know that is so silly, but I've been waiting, time lined up perfectly. So those were the things for me. And then I got 4 of the AOA Paw Wonder Blender, the classic beauty blender shape, and I got these to give to friends and family for Christmas. And then I got 5 of the F19 highlighter brush. I absolutely love this, so I got all of these to give to friends and family as well. I'm so excited. My sister, I'm giving her one of these highlight brushes, but she has plenty of sponges, so that's why I only have 4 of these and 5 of these, but I'm so excited to give these as gifts. They're such good quality. So then we have a couple Ulta orders, and I did not pick up my diamond gift this month. I don't know what it was, but I passed on it. Again, very proud of myself for that. Then there are a couple products that have been on my wish list that went 30% off, and then I think there was a code for 10% off on top of that. Also with this order, with a $60 purchase, you would get this 11-piece mystery bag that had 2 different options. I will keep a few of these things, but probably pass on most of them. So we have the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel Full Strength Exfoliating Mask, La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer, IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. These last forever. I will keep this, the Olaplex number 3, Hair Perfector, Peter Thomas Roth Potency Power Serum, NYX Butter Gloss, and Cinnamon Roll. I'm gonna give that to my sister-in-law. I may have given her another little mini before, but she'll go through that. I will keep this Pureology Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. That way when I need a little dry shampoo for filming, but I don't wanna use my Dry Bar one. Then we have the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream. The Pure Cosmetics On Point 4-in-1 Mascara with Hemp. I have a lot of mascaras. I'll probably just like look up a picture of what the brush looks like. The Love Wellness Sleeping Beauty capsules and the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. So I'm just gonna keep the Olaplex and the dry shampoo out of these. And the things that I purchased with this order, first would be this Uoma Beauty palette. I've wanted this, and then my friend Jean had it and said it was really good. This is the Black Magic palette. And you have got like 5 multi-chromes and 5 mattes. I still don't know what I want to do with this. The price was really good. It ended up being $26.49, but I'm still thinking about it. I don't know that I love these mattes besides this one, and I have a lot of multi-chromes that I don't use enough. So let me know what you think I should do with this. I want to decide before I use it. And then with any Uoma Beauty purchase, you got this little mini Drama Bomb mascara, so I'm excited to give that a shot. And then Live Tinted products were 30% off, I believe, and I've wanted these for a little while now. And the first product is the Huebeam blushing bronzer. It's a really big package and it is 3 colors here. It is so beautiful. But yesterday when I went to Ulta, they had this in store, so I was able to swatch it. And I actually think it's gonna be too dark for me. And I think the Bare Minerals Kiss of Rose and the Benefit Terra blushes are lighter versions that are still really intense. They're gonna be more wearable for me, so I think I'm gonna end up returning this. And because I came to that conclusion, I think I will also return this. I want to try it, but I have so many glosses, and this seems to be more on the sheer side. Unfortunately, they did not have this in store for me to swatch. This is the Hue Gloss, and this is the color Proud. Very pretty. I know Stated Kate likes these, but it just looked kind of sheer on her. So let me know what you guys think I should do. Again, I want to make decisions before I use anything so it can be resold. Next, I had a $10 off coupon, and through like halfway through November, Diamond members had free shipping on any purchase. I've swatched this so many times and it's stunning. I really love the Buxom Full Force lipsticks, and this is one of the original shades in Goddess. This looks like the perfect warm nude lipstick for me, so I'm very excited to have this in my collection. These are $20 exactly, so I got it for $10, half off. And next I placed another order because they had some amazing sales. First, L'Oreal was 30% off, or maybe L'Oreal lip products, and this is a newer formula, the Glow Paradise lipstick. And the color that I thought was really pretty is 130 Nude Heaven. It's not as light as I thought it would be, but it is really pretty. So this one ended up being $7.69. And then they had the Nabla eyeliners 40% off. I do have a couple shades and I love the formula. And I saw that they have like 2 different Nabla liner listings, and this one had like the fun colors. So these have been on my wish list for a while. I plan on getting them with points, but 40% off is an amazing deal. So these ended up being $10.80 each, normally $18. Whoops. So the mint one is called Aeropop Mint, and then the purple one is Aeropop Lavender. Very excited to have these. This is such a good formula. You guys know I have some pastel liners from ColourPop, but I really wanted these too, and they're not exactly the same. Then they had Lancome mascaras 40% off. This is a new one that I've wanted for a while now. I love the Lancome Hypnose Drama. I'm wearing it now. My favorite mascara, super expensive. This is the newest one, the La 8 Hypnose. It's a serum infused volumizing mascara. The brush looks amazing. This is so heavy, very expensive, normally $32, so I got it for $19.20. Still pricey for a mascara, but an amazing deal. And then Ofra products were 40% off. I have almost purchased the liquid highlight before, and then I didn't realize that they had the lighter version of Rodeo Drive powder on the Ulta website. So this is the lightest color of the liquid highlight, called Monroe. This ended up being $17.40, down from $29. And then we have this nice champagne highlight, but it looks like there's maybe a tinge of pink in there. It's called The Hills. Oh, I love that show. But this is supposed to be like a lighter version of Rodeo Drive. I will compare it to the other Ofra highlights that I have, but their formula is my favorite. So down from 35 to 21. And then they had a couple different free 20-piece gifts with an $80 purchase. And I chose the blue bag because it had, I think, the best items in there. So several of the 20 pieces in here are foil samples, and won't be keeping those. So let me pull those out to show you the deluxe size samples, which is always a deciding factor for me. So the ones that I wanted the most would be the 4 of these: the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara, Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. The other deluxe size products that I'll be passing on: Clinique High Impact Mascara, I don't like that one, Vichy Mineral 89 Serum, and the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. And then just a bunch of hair care, skincare, and perfume foil samples. So those are all the things I purchased this month. I don't think that is too bad, and there are a few things I think I'm going to end up returning unused. Let me know your thoughts on some of the things that I was on the fence about. Now to show you what I got in PR, there are fewer things this month than last month because I'm actually filming these haul videos pretty close together because I'm trying to catch up. So first up, we have this little mini discoloration essentials kit from Replenix. So you have a nice little makeup bag, 2 foil samples of the brightening eye cream. You can get a lot of uses out of those. I know because I've used one up. Then a ½ ounce size of the glycolic acid 10% resurfacing cream, and then a ¼ ounce size of the vitamin C Pro Collagen Serum. Then I was able to pick out 3 products from Maelys Cosmetics. They just started selling them at ULTA, which is exciting, and apparently Khloe Kardashian is all about this brand. They had a lot of great things to choose from, but these products I think will be perfect for me. The first product is the Get Silky Breast Exfoliating Stick. I feel like I get whiteheads on my chest, so that will be perfect. Something else I need because I can get a little bit sweaty. This is the Get Sassy Underboob Deodorant, which I've never seen one of these before. And then we have the Get Sprung Stretch Mark Oil. I don't know if it's too long since it's been a year, but I want to try and see if I can get this to work for me. Next, I got a really generous package from Murad. I actually reached out to them through the site where I make my links, and they said, sure, we'll send you some stuff. I couldn't believe it. So we have the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum, the Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment, which I'm gonna need, the Nutrient Charged Water Gel Moisturizer, the AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, excited for this. I think I've used up many. And then the Vita C Glycolic Serum, excited for that. And the Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. You know how much all that costs right there? So generous, I'm so excited. Thank you, Murad. And lastly, I got a package from I Do Care. They're under the same umbrella company as Kaja, which is a brand that has started sending me some products recently, which is so exciting. The first thing I think I'm gonna save for like a Thieves Christmas sort of gift along with something else because I got this for free. This is the Scoop Party. It has 3 different ice cream wash-off masks and a headband, and there is a little scooper in here. The headband looks like. So let me go ahead and show you the mask. So you have 1 bigger size and then 2 little deluxe sizes. I think that will be the cutest little gift. They also sent the Here's the Tea Tree Soothing Sheet Mask. I think that will be nice because my skin has not been nice to me. The Rolling With It Ice Massage Roller. That is so cool. The Glow Key Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Power Plug Firming Bakuchiol Night Cream. Of course, excited for this. The Glow Easy Nourishing Vitamin C Lip Oil. Let me see what this looks like. Cute. And lastly, we have the Ready Aim Clear Skin Emergency Care Kit. Proper Popper Timeout Blemish Patch Original, Happy Paws, and here's the Tea Tree masks. So 1 of the Pimple Popper, 12 of the Timeout Blemish patches, and then 5 tea tree masks. This sounds so perfect for me and my skin right now. This was such a generous package as well. I cannot wait to try out I Do Care for the first time. Thank you to all these brands for sending me these products. It was so generous. Can't wait to try out the new things that I purchased. Please let me know your thoughts on the things that I've tried and what you think I should keep or not. I would love to know what things you picked up this month. Did you get anything during Black Friday, Cyber Monday? Let me know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.